Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Kamal Abdurrahim, a Nigerian, a student in King Saud University, studying my master's program, Arabic language and literature. I am here as one of the beneficiaries for the program of EIECC, meaning Effective Islamic English Cross-Cultural Communication. So I am here as a beneficiary. First of all, I give thanks to Almighty Allah. I thank Dr. Khalid and the management of Marakat Usul for this opportunity given to students in the whole world, online and in attendance, to come and benefit, to come and be one of the beneficiaries of this program. As a Muslim, we have the content. How do I call non-Muslim? How do I invite them? Through this program, I have learned a lot of technique. I have learned what, as a preacher, what is my right, how do I compose, how do I study, who I'm communicating to, what are the content of what I'm going to give. So I encourage every Muslim to call to Almighty Allah, as Allah has instructed in the Quran, that we should call to His cause. So we are here to learn the ways, means, and technique on how to capture the mind of non-Muslim in our various community. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.